Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We'll solve today exercise 2.2. So question number 1 is 3 sine inverse of x is equals to sine inverse 3x minus of 4x cubed. And we have to prove that. So first let us take RHS side. RHS side from here, this part which is sine inverse of 3x minus of 4x cubed. So we know one formula which is sine theta is equals to 3 sine theta minus of 4 sine cube theta, right? And this formula we will use in this equation. So can I write it as a x is equals to sine theta and theta is equals to sine inverse of x, right? So we'll put the value of x in this bracket. So in the next step, we'll put sine inverse 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. And now we can see that this formula exactly look like this, what I have written here, right? Now we will put 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta is equals to sine 3 theta into this bracket, right? So here sine inverse of sine 3 theta, right? And now we'll cut this. The answer will be 3 theta. And from here theta is equals to sine inverse x. So we'll put 3 sine inverse of x. Hence we have proved this. It is exactly to the LHS side of the question. So now let's move on to question number 2. And the question number 2 is here given as 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos of 4x cubed minus of 3x, where x belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. So this is the question. Now we'll take RHS side and writing it here, RHS side here. RHS side cos inverse 4x cubed minus of 3x, right? And we know one formula here, same as the above question. The cos 3 theta is equals to 4 cos cube theta minus of 3 cos theta. Now we'll use this formula in this bracket. Can we write it as x is equals to cos of theta and theta is equals to cos inverse x. We'll shift cos to this side, so we'll write cos inverse x. Now I'll put the value of x into the bracket. Cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus of 3 cos theta. Now this exactly looked like this formula, so we'll replace this with cos 3 theta. Cos inverse, cos inverse, let me erase it. Yeah. Cos inverse cos of 3 theta, right? Now we'll cut this is equals to 3 theta, right? And we know that theta is equals to cos inverse of x, so we'll put here 3 cos inverse of x. Now here it is same as LHS. So hence it is proved RHS is equal to LHS. You can write it in your examination, and I have added some important formula into the description also. You can go through this. Okay. Thank you.